Chef Pete is here, and today I'm making pasta. But real quick, a little history of pasta. You know what? Ancient origins. Ancient origins, but contrary to popular belief, it goes all the way back to 3000 BC. The Chinese were making noodle-like dishes. Okay, then all of a sudden, Etruscan Italy, evidence suggests the pasta making tools were used in ancient Etruscan Italy around the 4th century. So the 4th century Italy, we go all the way back. But then you've got the Marco Polo myth. Yes, popular legend, and I'm going to read this because when I ask this and I type it, it's popular legend credits Marco Polo with introducing pasta to Italy after his travels to China. However, historical evidence does suggest that pasta was already part of the Italian culture and plentiful all through Italy as we know it today. Okay, so we're going to make pasta. Anthony will show you here on the board. I have pasta dough that I've already made. And if you'd like to see how we do this, just go into our playlist and you'll find a whole playlist on pasta. And I show you how to do this the easy way in your bread maker. Let the bread maker do the hard work. Let the bread maker mix it up and knead it and get it ready to go. Okay, so I've already done this. And what I'm going to do with our pasta today is I've got it. So maybe I'm just going to roll it just a hair bit here more. And then we're going to come over to our machine, which Anthony will pan down and show you, our Imperia machine from Italy, which you can buy these readily on Amazon, or you could go to the store and buy it. But I like this because I can do the two parts by thinning it and by making it into noodles, whatever kind of pasta noodle I would want to make. So here I have a nice piece of flour dough, and Anthony will back up just a bit here, just a bit, so I can show you how this goes in the machine. Basically, it just goes in, you feed it right in to the part that flattens it first, okay? We're flattening it out, our dough, and what it's done is it's flattening out right here, and now it gets a little longer. Does everybody see that? So I'm just going to put it here and dust some more flour. Make sure it has flour on it. Flour's not going to hurt anything, but it also is going to keep it from sticking inside our Imperia pasta maker, right? All right, so we're going to run this through again. Some people take it and run it through and double it up and do all that. I don't go through all that. I found that it works just fine this way. And then we're going to make it a little thinner. So what I'm doing is I'm adjusting the thickness and thinness of our pasta sheets. Okay, so as we come through, we're rolling it, and there we have it. Now it's getting thinner. I changed it, it's getting thinner, and as it gets thinner, it gets longer. Okay, everybody? All right, this is real easy. Now I'm gonna make it thinner yet. I'm gonna change it down one more notch. And we're going to feed it in, feed it right through so that it's going to get thinner. And if you think you need a little flour, throw yourself a little flour here. Don't worry about it. Okay, there we go. Now we've got a pasta dough that is thinner. And this is beautiful egg pasta that I've made. And I use the 00 flour, which makes it absolutely beautiful. Okay, so we'll run it through, we get it thinner, and when we come back, we're going to show you how it cuts and makes pasta noodles. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizzos. We love you all, and we'll see you in the next video when we cut our pasta noodles in our pasta maker. Okay, so this is Pete out.